Welcome back to another video of artsncarstv. I might just go straight to it. It's a short video, nothing crazy. It's been a long time, but car season is over, especially for the car shows. So hope you guys enjoyed the last two videos of the car shows I've been to. But I finally gonna install the Borla and K&N intake on the Blackhawk. So let me give you guys a little walk around. I know it's been a long time. Got her cleaned up. See my ugly self in there. Wash her up. Finally had some time to do that. New front plate on the bumper, but not much change. Everything else is the same. It's in 24s all around. But let me show y'all what I got. I know it's been a long time, but this is what's gonna go down. New Borla exhaust with I might give you guys a hint. Might be rear exit or side exit, so stay tuned with that. It's gonna be black tips, dual exhaust. And obviously I'm gonna give you guys a before and after sound, so you can see it only has one stock, no noise, and also has I got this a long time ago, but I'm finally gonna put it on. K&N Blackhawk cold air intake system, so that's what's gonna go down. I don't know, this it just the stock, it sounds too quiet. So it sounds too soft to be a truck, in my opinion. So that's the reason why I want to change it. There it goes, big muffler right here. No stock. Let's see if I can show you guys more. So you can see, look at that rusty old. So that's gonna be changed out. All this right here. So that's what's gonna go down. See, you go. It's the LEDs right there. But yeah, this is coming off. All this, so it's gonna be a dual. So it's gonna be two of these on each side, and of course with the black tip in this factory. I already got the place where I'm gonna go to. Somewhere here local, so pretty good at it. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. But let me show you guys how it sounds before I put the Borla. So here it goes. See, said it's too quiet. It sounds good, you know, but for a truck, it's gotta sound like a truck. So it sounds like my girl's Malibu, all soft and shit. So that's one of the reasons why I want to switch it out. And I think it'll look better and sound better with the Borla. So let's say step a little bit on gas. I'm gonna show you guys inside the 5.3. So, alright, so let's see. So that's how it sounds. And it barely reached 33,000. Nothing crazy. Show you guys. So all this is gonna come out. All this, especially this big plastic thing. So the can is supposed to stick out and pull out from here. So all this, it's really easy to install. If I can't find somebody to do it, I'll do it myself. You know, YouTube has it all. So stay tuned for this. This is coming out. It's all stock. And yes, it's a V8 5.3, as you can see here. Focus. So, like I said, all this is gonna come out. But you see how quiet it sounds? It's too quiet. Nice picking. Nothing crazy, all stock. I was gonna do some headers, but I'll do that later on. It's too much right now going on, so maybe headers in the future. I don't know yet. I'm looking at a new hood too, so I'm pretty much not done with the truck. Maybe next year I'll do a sound system too, so stay tuned. That's all I got for you guys. I'm gonna do a short clip, some reels on my Instagram. If you're new to the channel, you already know what to do. Please watch, share, subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna do a before and after video on Instagram and all my social media, Snapchat, whatever. So stay tuned with it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys until the next one once it's on. And that's it.